our channel, where we'll be exploring the wonderful world of wooden paper roll holders. Today, we'll delve into the versatility, functionality, and aesthetic appeal of these timeless accessories that add both charm and organization to any space. At first glance, you might underestimate the significance of a paper roll holder. But let me assure you, it's a small yet essential addition to your home or office setup. Crafted from high-quality wood, these holders boast durability and natural beauty that complements any decor style. Whether it's in the kitchen or for holding paper towels, in the home office for organizing wrapping paper or craft supplies, or even in the bathroom for neatly dispensing toilet paper, these holders prove to be incredibly versatile. One of the standout features of wooden paper roll holders is their ease of use. Changing the paper roll is a breeze, thanks to the simple yet effective design. Just slip off the old roll, slide on a new one, and you're just good to go. No more fumbling with flimsy cardboard tubes or struggling to tear off a sheet. Beyond their practical functionality, wooden paper roll holders also elevate the visual appeal of any space. With their rich wood grain and smooth finish, these holders add a touch of sophistication and warmth to your surroundings. Whether you prefer a rustic farmhouse vibe or a more modern aesthetic, there is a wooden paper roll holder to suit your style. Speaking of style, wooden paper roll holders come in a variety of designs to suit your preferences. From sleek and minimalist to intricately carved and ornate, there is something for everyone. You can even customize your holder with personalized engravings or embellishments for a truly unique touch. But perhaps the most compelling reason to invest in a wooden paper roll holder is the sense of organization and efficiency it brings to your life. No more cluttered countertops or messy drawers. Simply place your paper rolls in the holder and you will always know where to find them when you need them. It's the small things that make a big difference in creating a harmonious and functional living space. So, whether you're looking to add a touch of elegance to your streamline your organization system, or simply upgrade your paper roll holder game, consider investing in a wooden paper roll holder. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on home organization and decor tips. Until next time, stay stylish and organized.